Hey guys, it's John with Tithe Envelope. Appreciate you guys clicking on the video. This video is going to basically talk about pricing. We get a lot of calls. A lot of times people have questions about our pricing and how it works. So I wanted to make just a quick video to show you guys how that works. As always, you can give us a call. Our number here is at the homepage at the top. Feel free to give us a call there anytime or shoot us an email. You'll find all our information in our Contact Us page. I'm going to start here on the homepage where my mouse is highlighted, so just follow the mouse. So let's start it. So if we go here to pricing, right, toolbar here at the top, you'll see we have different options to choose from. So let's start with offering envelopes, which is our most popular envelope. So here you'll see that we have a picture of a sample envelope, and we just have here some different information on our envelopes, just different options, different steps on how to do it, how to proceed with an order. But I'll go through that with you here in a few minutes so we can get that going for you. So here, as you can see on the right hand side, we have here our bunch of drop downs. All these drop downs will help with our pricing matrix. So here the first one you can see is just different sizes. Our most common size, our most popular size, is the 3.625 by 6.5 envelope. That's the first one that pops up. We also offer a 3-inch envelope. These 3-inch envelopes are the envelopes that fit mostly into pews, and they also offer the easy open back. So that way it's just an easier to open the envelope. We also offer mid-size, which is a 3.5 by 6, and our largest size, which is 3 3/4 by 6 3/4. So anyhow, the next drop down is going to be your quantity. So we offer different quantities to choose from. Now, if you see a quantity, if you need a quantity and you don't see it here, that's fine. These are just our most popular sizes. So if you're looking for, like, let's say 3,000 envelopes, just send us an email. We can shoot you a quote on that. That's not a problem. And then we have here our envelope colors. With the 3.625 by 6.5 envelope, we offer a variety of colors. Now, all these colors are pastel colors, so please keep that in mind. If you notice here, if I go to the 3-inch envelope, we have a variety of more colors to choose from. And here, if you hover over the question mark, you can see here it shows you an idea of what those colors look like. Again, these colors are pastel, but it just gives you an idea of what they're going to look like. Here, let's X out of that. And then our next option here is going to be your ink color. Now, for the 3-inch envelope, we only offer printing of 1 and 2 colors. If you go up back to here to our 3.625 envelope, we offer a variety more colors. We can print up to full color on that envelope. Now, one thing I did want to mention, a lot of people ask us, is if black counts as a color, and yes, it does. So if you want a 1-color envelope and you're thinking about doing black, then that would be your 1 color. Now, keep in mind, we can print any color you guys want. So it doesn't necessarily need to be black. If you want to use a navy blue, you want to use a red, a dark green, a light green, we could do that for you. And that's all included in this price. And then your next drop down here is going to be your turnaround time. Now, one thing I do want to mention around turnaround time is that this is just for the production time of the printing of the envelopes. This does not include your shipping, okay? So, for example, if you were to choose a same-day service, as you can see, the price is going to be a little bit higher than if you were to go on a 4-day service. Now, the thing about same-day that I want to explain here is that our cutoff time for same-day service is 10:30 a.m. Eastern time, okay? So if you were to place an order in the morning before 10:30, then that order will ship that same day. If you were to place the order after 10:30 a.m. Eastern time, then that order will ship the following day, okay? Same thing here for next day. Our cutoff time for next day is 12:30. So if you were to place it before 12:30 Eastern time, then it will ship that following day. Alrighty, and this is just Monday through Friday. Saturdays and Sundays don't count because we're not open. And then your next drop down is going to be your online designer. I'll have another video on that, on how to use our online designer. But basically, this is, gives you a couple options. If you have your own design, you can upload it. If you want to use our online designer, you can use that as well. Here, I'll go back to the pricing page. Now, please keep in mind that all of our designs are free, so if you need us to design it for you from scratch, that's fine. We don't charge for that. And also, we do not print anything until you approve. So even if you send us a file, we're going to send you a proof, and once you approve it, we print it. Now, one cool thing here I want to show you guys, if you scroll down a little bit, is our shipping estimate. So here, you would put in your zip code, and you would hit submit, and it's going to show you just different shipping options to choose from, whether you want to go on an overnight service or if you want to go ground. Ground is going to be your cheapest, but it's also your slowest. Now, keep in mind, these numbers down here are going to change once you change the quantity. So if your quantity is going to be higher, you need to make sure you resubmit this, because your pricing is going to change because it's more weight of envelopes. So that is our offer envelopes. Now let's go to our remittance envelopes. So your remittance envelopes, these are your double-sided envelopes. These are your envelopes. A lot of times these are used if you're taking credit card information down. I recommend this highly because it's a more secure form of taking this information. Same sort of concept as your offer envelopes. You're going to have your different sizes to choose from. Now on the remittance envelopes, one thing I do want to mention is the only colors that we're offering is white. So all the envelopes, colors of the envelopes are going to be white. At this time, we don't offer any other colors. Again, you have different quantities to choose from. Like I just mentioned earlier, if there's a quantity here that you see or that you want to do, like let's say again 6,000 or so, just send us an email. We could do that for you. Again, these are just our most popular quantities that a lot of people choose from. Again, here you have your ink colors. Now you're going to have a lot more variety here, just because remember, these are double-sided envelopes. So if you want to do, let's say, full color on the flap on the front side, and then you want to do one color on the back, we offer that. And we also offer, like, if you want to do one color on both sides. That's also an option. Now, one thing with the remittance envelope that we didn't offer on the other envelope is, since these envelopes are longer, right, they have the longer flap, we offer the service to fold them, because these envelopes, if you just order them plain, they're going to come with the flaps extended like you see here on the screen, but we can fold them for you. You would just hit yes here, and as you can see, your price would change with those because it is a different service. Now, if we were to go here, let's say same thing with the turnaround times. You have a same day, a 4-day, and a next business day. Now, one thing here, if you notice on my screen, it kind of popped away, was if you do choose a same day on the remittance envelope, folding service is not available, just because we have to let we won't have time to let the ink dry to be able to fold them. But if you choose a 4-day, it'll allow you to choose the folding service. Again, now remember, the turnaround time is just for the production. Shipping is not included in that time. Same concept here too. You can upload a design, use our designer, and so forth. And then here again, you have your shipping calculator. Now, please, again, make sure if you use this, when you enter your zip code, make sure it's going to be for the quantity that you desire. If you change that quantity, make sure to change that zip code down here, because the pricing will be different. And that pricing, once you hit add to cart, that pricing is going to show up in your shopping cart. You're going to see the shipping options again. We decided to add this here so that way you don't have to worry about the shipping in the shopping cart and then have to go back. We just wanted to make it as simple as possible for you. Now again here, our last option here for envelopes is our business envelopes. Now these are your envelopes that are used for like letterhead. If you guys have a stationery that you have a letterhead and matching envelope, this is where these envelopes would come into play. We offer 6x9s all the way up to 9x12, which is a larger envelope like you see here. Here, for example, let's just do a number 10. You would choose your quantity. These envelopes for the number 10s that we only offer color is white. You would choose your ink color. And then for the number 10, we offer either a window or non-window. So if you want to add a window, you would add it there, and you can see your price would increase. And again, you would choose your turnaround time. And like I mentioned before, here's your shipping calculator. So you would use that as well, and then you just add it to cart. I'll make another video here soon, which will be just placing an order. But that's basically it on the pricing. If you guys got any questions, please do not hesitate to give us a call. Our number is highlighted up here, so give us a call there, or you can also shoot us an email. You can look here at our Contact Us page, and there you'll be able to see all our contact information. We look forward to hearing from you, and we appreciate it, and I appreciate you guys watching this video. Thanks.